chicken dinner. If the glove doesn't fit, but buy here, pay here, y'all can go straight to. So what's up, YouTube? We back with another one. So welcome to another day in my life as a car dealer. So today we got a couple of treats for you guys. We were supposed to do this Subaru the other day, so we're gonna try to get that done today. We got them over here in the cut, ready to buy that black Chevy S10, and it's going to the mechanic, and I want him to look at this. I'm about to ask him. And also we got that blue Audi that I want to repair the little rust on. I was up last night watching Chris Fix, and I think I could do it. I guess when you're driving, the rock chips come up. Correct me if I'm wrong. You hear me over here? Correct me if I'm wrong. But like right here, this is the bad side. The other side, not that bad. Can y'all see that? This right here. So I was just gonna sand all this down. I got all the stuff already. Sand all this down to the bare metal, bondoer, primer, and painter. So yeah, that's what I was thinking about doing today, because I thought about it. I'm like, man, the frame is good on her, but it's like those little rust spots, you know, that came from New York, so you know it's all up north and stuff. Just little stuff like that, little petty stuff like that. I think I should fix little stuff like that. I really would like to get a good body shop so that I can be doing things like that quicker. Like basically I could sand it, prime it, and then maybe they could paint it, because they probably would do a better job than me. But I'm gonna see what I could do, man. It's not gonna be a perfect job, but it's a couple people interested, and I think they'd like it a lot better if I was to get that done. But yeah, they over here. They over there in the cut with it, you know. I told them I had to do me a little intro. So we're gonna see what today brings, but let's go get intense today. Alright, so it's 12:40 p.m. y'all. And John and Twan, they are going on a test drive right now. They test driving the Ford Fusion because I'm getting a code for the fuel rail pressure or the fuel filter. I don't know which one it is. They test driving it right now. Other than that, that Ford Fusion is pretty good. But for this, I bought the headlight for it last night. So the headlight was $256. I gotta see how much I paid for it. But yeah, after that, I should be able to make a really nice profit. And with me having it for so long, there go them dogs. With me having it for so long, it's gonna feel like all profit. You know what I'm saying? Like I could have spent that money on anything. Oh my god, dog, it's finally no cars riding by. Nobody, never mind. It's a busy street, but it's good to be on a busy street. People been popping up. Somebody came to look at the Audi. Let me show y'all the stuff I already got. I already got all this stuff. Like, I don't even know everything I got in here. Like, what's this? Fiberglass. I got the blocks, the sandpaper. This for mixing. I got the Bondo filler. I got these things. Like, I got stuff I never opened. And this is stuff I bought for another vehicle. Like, I got stuff I never even opened. I'm about to be basically not fixing these rust spots on these vehicles for free, because I'm probably gonna still have to buy the paint and stuff, but that's really gonna help. That's why it's a good thing to buy stuff either in bulk or just buy stuff for a job and keep it, because as a car dealer or a car flipper, you never know when you're gonna need it again for something else. And when you make your money off of it the first time, it kind of feel a little bit free at that point. Does that make sense? But yeah, I'm just here yapping. I'm waiting on them to come back from the test drive. This headlight should be here by, I'm gonna say by Monday. Monday, I really want to go to the junkyard. We're gonna get another car clean. I don't think I'm gonna show you guys that, because I already showed you guys that we be getting them cleans. Can y'all see that? I don't know if y'all can see that, but that's a 2005 Hyundai Sonata. That's what I got to replace the Volvo. So I took the money from the Volvo and I purchased that. The other side could use a fender. Just go replace the whole fender on that. We got a holiday coming up, so it will be half off at the junkyard, so I get it close to next to nothing. If not, I just purchase it either way. Oh, they got an Audi similar to what I got. But yeah, here they go right here. Look at him. Look at John. Look at John, y'all. But yeah, let me see what he talking about. Hopefully the car imitated what happened with me, so I can see what's going on. And he bought this. He's the mechanic and stuff, so any little thing that needs, he's gonna fix it. I told him I wanted to really do content on that and stuff, and I really wanted to fix that all the way up because I know people love S10s, but hey, maybe next time. Ooh, dog court. We got this. Got all type of goodies in this Kia that we don't keep at the lot. Y'all, they had all type of stuff. So we just putting some stuff up in like a pile on some old, maybe we could sell it, give it away, or use it. He about to go take it to clean it and all that good junk. So we just getting the excess trash out of it right now. I'm not gonna record cleaning anything, but yeah, we be finding goodies and stuff. So I don't know what time it is, but y'all know time been moving by really fast. We made that sale too. We gonna go take that money to the bank. No, I don't be having money on me, but yeah, we just made that sale, so we gonna take that money to the bank in a couple seconds. Twan went to take that 2012 Kia Forte to get washed. I'm gonna set this right here because we got more goodies to find, and I've been looking for one of these. So we definitely about to find some goodies in here. I have to go pick my wife up right up the street. So I'm gonna just leave all of this. Right here. All right, y'all, I'm back. I got a new glove. If the glove doesn't fit, this actually goes in the, okay, I don't know if this gonna work. Y'all see that? I don't think that's gonna work. About to just clean this out real quick. I ain't gonna talk too much more.
Break it up then, Sam. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. What you say?
This is something I've been meaning to do right here, y'all. So I got the buy here, pay here sign that's been here since before I've been here, pretty much before my time. So without further ado, let's take this down. It's probably like 4 p.m. already closed, but we still here though. I know you're hungry. Oh God, almost hit that. We're clearly gonna have to clean that, maybe pressure wash that or something, but hey, now I don't have to worry about somebody saying it's a buy here, pay here sign. Next, I want to take that finance sign down, but it's kind of behind my J Green Auto Wheel sign. If you come with it, your own bank, technically, I do finance if you come with your own check from your bank, like get financing through them. But buy here, pay here, y'all can go straight to. What's up, YouTube? I didn't even get a chance to grab my tripod out the back seat. But listen, so I'm on my way right now. It's Saturday morning. It's 2 days since I've been recording. I didn't get to record yesterday because yesterday was super busy, and also my allergies are like the worst allergies that you could think of. So yeah, I definitely wasn't able to record yesterday. If anybody has any home remedies, please put that in the comments because I stopped taking medicine maybe like 2 years, but it's been a while since I've taken medicine. So if anybody has any home remedies, please put them in the comments. Anyway, I'm on my way to show somebody the Audi. I got a lot done yesterday. I got that window done on the 2014 Hyundai Accent, and if my camera is moving right now, it's because I don't got my tripod on. I'm holding the camera, so I'll put it on in the next clip or something. But yeah, I got that Hyundai window done. I got the Subaru I'm in now. I cleaned the throttle body. I cleaned the MAF sensor. I also replaced the air filter. So this vehicle came detailed. Even the engine bay was detailed. But I will be cleaning it again because I've been driving on it. It's a really nice vehicle. But I'm on my way to see if they're going to get this Audi. Now, I didn't get to do what I wanted to do on the Audi because I was busy at the title office and busy with everything else yesterday. That I was going to do the Audi today, but I forgot somebody wanted to see it. Now, of course, the pictures of the rest is on Marketplace. I mean, it's good underneath, but if she doesn't get it, I can still show you guys me painting it and stuff. But if she does get it and they just do it themselves, that would be splendid, because I wasn't going to change the price even if I do it. I had somebody come and wanted it the other day, or was interested in it, but I said I want to do the rest first on it. And he was like, how much is the price going to be? And I was like, it's pretty much going to be the same. I mean, I already have the Bondo and stuff. I just got about like $15-$20 paint or whatever. And we got a guy looking at us. Let me scoochies. I'll update you guys on how that goes. I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging. But yeah, let me know if you guys like these type of little miscellaneous vlogs to where I just show you some things that I do. Or let me know what you guys would like to see. I am going to be going to the auctions. I'm trying to really wait. This is dim. I'm gonna call y'all back. Just checking back in real quick. She's about to get the car. So we're about to do the paperwork. I'll update y'all when it's sold. Alright, y'all. I'm driving. She behind me right now. We already did the paperwork. She already paid me. Brought me mostly blues. Paid in full. This two and this. And then this is the rest. Yeah, paid in full, man. I gotta go grab a printer. I'm probably not gonna vlog me getting a printer, but I need a new printer. I'm out of ink. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right after this. But yeah, she following me 3 minutes down the street to the library so we could print her tags out. I got her little plastic and her screws. Them been coming in handy. I'm so glad I got that. It's the little investments that really matter. It's Saturday. It's a good way to have a Saturday. So I'm about to go eat and probably just chill, man, rejuvenate. I was gonna clean some vehicles, but I don't know if you can see it or hear it, but it is raining right now, so I'm not gonna clean any today. She got there before me, actually, and her and the guy she was with, they checked everything out. They liked it. They wasn't worried about the little rust spots I was panicked about. They didn't say anything about it. They said the frame looks good. We checked under the hood. We checked everything. And you know it's clean in there, so yeah. And it's a smooth ride. 130,000 miles. She loved it. Loved the price. Loved the car. Really happy about it. So yeah, we're pulling into the library now. So hey, I may be ending this vlog here, but expect a whole lot more. I'm gonna try to do different things, think outside the box and stuff. But hey, thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you guys on the next one. And I must say that Audi was a winner chicken dinner.